Again, and welcome back to my channel. This is The Kid in the City. I am Jonte. This is not your first time, welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time, welcome back to my channel. Ooh-wee. If this is your first time, welcome to The Kid in the City, where basically we just get into some makeup. So today we are getting into the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. So if you want to see how I got this looky right here, definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. I'm not really in like a talking kind of mood, so this is just gonna be a quick, I'm gonna do my makeup still, but I'm just not gonna talk through it. I'm gonna turn on some music and just kind of vibe out. I am going to AV sessions tonight, so I'm super excited. But yeah, I'm just not in a very talky, chatty, happy-go-lucky mood. But you know, bad bitches have bad days too. I'm still gonna look cute. I'm still about to get cute, which is gonna make my mood a little bit better. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some makeup and we're gonna take it from there. Okay, so here is the final look. Very simple. We did go in with Jackie Aina's palette, the collab palette that she made with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if I'm still supposed to be using this palette. I don't know if it's expired or not, but I really love it. The colors are really nice and super fun. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using it until my skin tells me otherwise. But yeah, this is the eyeshadow palette that we went into today, and then a nice regular lash. But yeah, that's basically it. I do feel a little better. My mood is a little better, but you know, it is what it is. It ain't what it ain't. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. I do appreciate you. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.